Today, we're diving into the very first video in our journey to conquer Excel 365, from the basics to advanced skills. In this video, we'll explore a truly game-changing feature in Excel 365, one that has completely transformed the way we calculate: dynamic arrays. Part 1. What are dynamic arrays, and why are they so hot? Dynamic arrays. The term may sound technical, but it's actually quite simple. It refers to formulas that return multiple results in a range, instead of just a single cell as before. Why are dynamic arrays causing such a buzz in Excel? They've introduced a slew of powerful new functions and significantly enhanced older ones. They simplify complex calculations, making them more efficient than ever before. They boost productivity and deliver an unparalleled experience for Excel enthusiasts. Part 2. How to check if your Excel supports dynamic arrays. First, let's check if the version of Excel you're using supports dynamic arrays. In cell J5, type the formula, select any range of data, press Enter. If Excel returns the full result of the selected data range, congratulations! Your Excel supports dynamic arrays. If not, consider upgrading to the latest version of Excel to unlock this incredible feature. Part 3. Pocketing key terminology for dynamic arrays. Now, let's get familiar with some new terms in Excel related to dynamic arrays. 1. Dynamic array. As mentioned earlier, any formula that returns multiple results in a range instead of a single cell is considered a dynamic array formula. 2. Spill range. The range where the results of a dynamic array formula spill out. Example: in cell K5, I'll use the unique function to extract a list of unique values from the product category column. As you can see, the results are returned across multiple cells. That's the spill range. 3. The hashtag symbol, the magic symbol that references the entire spill range. Example: in cell L5, type equals. Select the first cell of the spill range. Add the hashtag symbol at the end. Press Enter. You've referenced the entire spill range. The hashtag symbol allows you to reference the full spill range, regardless of its size. Let me demonstrate another scenario for clarity. In cell J5, adjust the data range from J12 to J20, then press Enter. Notice how the spill range dynamically expands as the data grows. Part 4. Discovering the secrets of dynamic arrays and spill ranges. Next, let's dive deeper into dynamic arrays and spill ranges, exploring their characteristics and important considerations. First, let's clear everything and start fresh. 1. Spill range demonstration. In cell J4, type equals, then select the entire data table. Press Enter. As you can see, Excel automatically spills the entire data table into a range. This range is called the spill range. If you're using an older version of Excel, this action will return a hashtag value error instead. 2 key characteristics of spill ranges. The formula is only stored in the first cell of the spill range. To modify the formula, simply edit this cell. The other cells in the spill range cannot be directly edited. To delete the data in the spill range, you must delete the formula cell. Deleting individual cells in the spill range isn't allowed. 3. Important notes when working with dynamic arrays. Blocked spill range. If the spill range overlaps with existing data, you'll see a hashtag spill error. Example: enter text, e.g., note, in a cell within the expected spill range. Then, in J4, type equals, select the data range, and press Enter. A hashtag spill error will appear because the existing data is blocking the spill range. Solution: clear the blocking data, and the formula will work as expected. Copy-pasting data from a spill range. You cannot directly copy-paste data from a spill range. Example: select the spill range and press Ctrl+C. Try pasting it elsewhere. It won't work. Why? The spill range cells don't contain fixed values. They display results from the original formula cell. Workaround: use paste as values. Click the drop-down arrow next to the paste option and select paste values. The values will now paste correctly. Formatting data in a spill range. To format data within a spill range, follow these steps. For example, in the sale date column, select the entire spill range containing dates. Right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Date tab, Select the desired date format and click OK. All dates in the spill range will be formatted accordingly. Another scenario we'll cover is handling empty cells. For example, let's say I delete a few rows of data due to errors during data entry. As you can see, the result returned in the spill range now shows 0 values and other inappropriate formatting. This diminishes the visual appeal of our results. But don't worry, it's easy to fix this issue. I'll incorporate the if function into our formula. First, I'll copy our original dataset. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Our condition will be, if this value equals 0, then we'll return nothing by typing 2 quotation marks, otherwise, we'll return the corresponding value from the original dataset. Let's paste the copied data here. Close the parentheses and press Enter. And there you have it. We've successfully handled those empty cells. And that wraps up our introduction to dynamic arrays as part of the journey to master Excel 365, from basic to advanced, right here on the DZ Level channel. Dynamic arrays are truly a game changer in Excel, empowering us to work with data more effectively and efficiently. There's so much more to explore in this knowledge series, and new videos will be released weekly. Don't miss out on any of the content in this practical learning journey with the DZ Level. See you in the next video.